Learning to code is often portrayed as a straightforward path to a high-paying job or the ability to build amazing apps. But why do so many beginners struggle and give up? What if the real reasons behind their failures could be boiled down to just 5 common mistakes? In this video, we'll explore the hidden challenges of learning to code and reveal the crucial steps you can take to avoid these pitfalls and succeed in your coding journey. Mistake number 1. It's not just about memorizing code. When you first start learning to code, it's easy to think that success depends on how much syntax you can memorize. But is coding really just about memorizing lines of code? The truth is, coding is far more about problem solving and logic than simply recalling commands. Think like a programmer. Developing a programmer's mindset is crucial. It's about understanding how to approach problems, not just knowing what commands to use. Learn by doing. Memorizing syntax isn't enough. You need to apply your knowledge by building projects, no matter how small, to truly understand how code works. Embrace problem solving. Focus on the logic behind the code. When you understand the why behind a solution, the how becomes much easier. Mistake number 2. You'll face frustration. Why does coding often feel so frustrating, and why do even seasoned developers struggle? The reality is, debugging and hitting roadblocks are just part of the coding process. Understand it's normal. Frustration is a common experience in coding. Even experienced developers spend hours debugging. It's not a sign that you're failing, but a part of learning. Stay persistent. The key to overcoming frustration is persistence. Every problem solved is a step forward in your learning. Develop a problem-solving strategy. When you hit a roadblock, take a step back, break the problem down, and approach it systematically. This will make even the toughest challenges manageable. Mistake number 3. The learning curve is steep. Why does coding feel so overwhelming in the beginning? The steep learning curve can make the initial phase of learning to code particularly tough, but it's a challenge that can be overcome with the right approach. Focus on the fundamentals. It's tempting to jump into advanced topics, but mastering the basics is crucial. A solid foundation will make everything else easier. Take it step by step. The coding journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Break your learning into manageable chunks and tackle them one at a time. Celebrate small wins. Progress might feel slow, but every small victory is a sign that you're moving forward. Celebrate these to stay motivated. Mistake number 4. Motivation fades over time. What happens when the initial excitement of learning to code fades? Without the right strategies, staying motivated can become a major challenge. Set clear, achievable goals. Break your learning journey into small, manageable milestones. Each milestone achieved will keep your motivation alive. Visualize your success. Constantly remind yourself of why you started learning to code. Whether it's landing your dream job, building an app, or gaining creative freedom, keep that vision in mind. Surround yourself with support. Learning with others can keep you motivated. Join a community, find a mentor, or study with a buddy to stay engaged. Mistake number 5. Comparing yourself to others. Why is it so easy to feel discouraged when you see others progressing faster? Comparing yourself to others is a trap that can derail your coding journey. Focus on your own path. Everyone learns at their own pace. Don't let someone else's progress make you feel inadequate. Focus on your journey and celebrate your own achievements. Avoid the comparison trap. Remember, you're seeing someone else's highlight reel, not their struggles. Concentrate on your growth and how far you've come. Find inspiration, not discouragement. Use others' success as inspiration, not a measure of your own progress. Learn from their experiences, but don't compare timelines. Conclusion: are you ready for the real coding journey? Why do most beginners fail at coding? Success in coding is more than just learning syntax. It's about mindset, persistence, and avoiding common mistakes. With the right approach, you can overcome the challenges that stop many beginners. Here are the key points to keep in mind. Adopt the right mindset. Coding is a long-term commitment. Embrace the journey and be patient with the learning process. Be persistent. Expect setbacks and frustrations. Overcoming these is part of the path to becoming a proficient coder. Avoid common pitfalls. Don't rush the basics, avoid burnout, and don't compare your progress to others. Stay focused on your unique journey. Celebrate progress. Every small win counts. Acknowledge and take pride in each step forward. With these strategies, you're well prepared to navigate the challenges of coding. Are you ready to take on the real coding journey and achieve your goals?
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.